Hi everyone, Cars Bar 2.0 here, and welcome back to another racing video. This is our 5th racing video of the day, and we have some cars that are in the color blue. So yeah, the C8 Corvette R, or the Corvette C8R, and it's going up against the Rimac Nevera. We're gonna see what blue car can get down to the finish line first. So without further ado, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Rimac takes the win! Oh my god, look at that! They both went upside down! Oh my god. Okay guys, that's it for this one. And I'll see you guys in my next racing video 1 hour from now at 1. Actually, nah. Well, yeah, I will see you in my next video, but you will see some cars buying videos too. Okay, we'll be going cars buying today. In other words, I'll be back with another racing video, so I will see you guys at 2 p.m. See you soon.